So it's the day after Jussie Smollett was officially declared legally to be fake and gay. And what has ensued is people digging up old tweets and articles of lying communists, pretending to be outraged about the dumbest and most obvious fake story ever concocted by a human being in history for good commie points on the internet. All these fucking people knew it was a fake story from the second they heard it. You would not have the ability to tweet about it if you actually believed it. You would be as potatofied as Joe Biden. So as Jussie is gearing up for a maximum of 20 years of shenanigans in the showers, which judging by his testimony is going to be a treat for him, we can move on with the knowledge that when obvious lies are put towards normal people on the jury, not through the lens of woke, believing all women are minorities no matter what they say, the normal people go, oh yeah, this is stupid, fuck this lying liar. Which brings us on to another court hearing, which is getting almost no press because, well, it has a potential to severely cripple an entire cottage industry and get a lot of people and organisations sued into oblivion. So there's this guy called John Stossel, and he said back when the left were reading about California's wildfires were all about climate change and how the world was melting, because you see, these people think like children. They think climate change is everything catching on fire. They have the minds of 8-year-olds. They can only understand things visually. Now this guy said what everyone knows to be true, is that the government mismanagement probably caused the wildfires. You know, like stealing the money that could have gone towards digging trenches and things that stop fires getting out of control. Standard government corruption, of course. That is the actual reason. I believe California in particular is very well known for mismanaging wildfires. But facts do not make for a good grift. How can you get idiots to donate money to a cause so you can get rich and spend it on hookers and blow if someone is talking sense about the government? So one of Facebook's affiliated fact checkers fact-checked John and labelled his post misleading and misquoted him. He said, forest fires are caused by poor management, not by climate change. Well, he actually didn't say anything of the sort because he ceded some ground and actually said climate change has made things worse. California has warmed 3 degrees. And apparently it's still on Facebook now. They're still falsely misleading people about what he said. I wouldn't know. I'm not on Facebook. I'm male. So he sued them for defamation because they are very publicly lying about him. So I think he seems right to do that. I don't know much about the law in America, but they are quite obviously lying about him. And that court case has been rumbling on for a while until today, when the alien who still hasn't even vaguely learned how to act like a human, even after all these years, Mark Zuckerberg's lawyers, dropped this document rebutting John's case. And in the document they have this statement. We'll just read one section of it. For another, Stossel's claims focus on the fact-check articles written by Climate Feedback. Now that's Facebook's affiliated and official partner of fact-checkery. Not the labels affixed through the Facebook platform. Well, the labels themselves are neither false nor defamatory. Well, they are. To the contrary, they constitute protected opinion. Oh wow! Fact checks are just opinions, are they? Why are they called fact checks then? Can you riddle me that, Facebook? And I guess all the election fact checks were just opinions, were they? I guess all the COVID, well, let's not get into that. I do like this channel. But I will say, the so-called conspiracy theories have been 100% right on everything on that subject. That's as far as I'm going on that. But isn't it funny when the money is threatened, they start telling the truth? But I'm sure that's just a coincidence. Look, facts, opinions, an agenda to suppress free speech and wrong things so they can force people into believing and obeying what they want you to believe. It's all the same, man. Why are we even arguing? You must be some kind of racist homophobe who doesn't even believe Jussie Smollett or something. Do better. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks, bye.